Welcome to Second Chance Garage. Okay. I did get the fuel lines loose. Now, we're going to attempt. There's a ring down there that we have to get loose to get the fuel pump out, which will not be any fun at all. But you never know. I soaked it in WD-40, or not WD-40. I soaked it in PV Blaster. So maybe we'll let it set overnight. Now maybe if I get lucky, I get that ring off. If I get lucky, we shall see. So, I stopped by Harbor Freight, went home from work, and bought me some 16-inch vice grips. Yeah, these. See if maybe I could get lucky. Yeah, that's what I figured. Should have got the 20-inchers. They had 20-inchers, but I thought, well, 16s ought to do it, but I see that should have got the 20. Alright. Let's hit her with some more PV Blaster. Soak everything down good. And we're going to see. Can't drive this ring off of here somehow. It'd be nice if it would just drive off, but I'm not betting a whole lot on it. Nope. Seem to be moving. Does it? This can't get down in there where I get a good swing on it. Let's see. Is there a better position to get into? Not really. This stinks. This stinks. Alright. Now, this right here looks a little suspicious. Like it's got a ear, a plastic ear, holding that on there. Huh. Alright. Yeah, like that. That was down in a notch. Okay. Is there any more of those? I don't see any more. Now, maybe if yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. It's not what I wanted to happen. Seem to be moving. Let's see. Well, this is disappointing. Not surprising, but disappointing. She's so rusted on there. Huh. Make sure that tab's back far enough. Huh. Boy, she don't seem to be moving a bit. Make sure that tab is pulled out. Boy, oh boy. That sucker is in there now. Rusted on there. Huh. I don't know. Let's see. Wonder what happens if I work on these a little. Bust some of the rust loose on these tabs. Okay, now, I wonder if I use this. Somehow. Okay, let's see here. Huh. Well. Huh. Okay. Vibrate the crap out of it. So, this one I'm going to do. Idea is to try to vibrate some of this rust loose. I don't know if it's going to work, but it's worth a shot. Wow. I don't think it helped a bit, but we shall see momentarily. Boy, this sucks. Really does suck. Well, okay. There you go. Now, see if maybe well, I think it moved ever so slightly. Yeah. I think if I could get it to start, it would go, but uh-oh. What the hell just happened here? Interesting. Okay. Well, folks, I don't know if you can see it, but the pump's out. I'll have to do some serious cleanup here. But apparently it was moving. Moved a little more than I thought it did, because all of a sudden then it just popped loose. I was like, okay. The whole top ring is still in one piece. Let's see what you can see here. So the whole top ring's still in one piece. So I can clean it up and reuse it. Yep. And there's the fuel pump out. As I let the fuel run out of the fuel pump into the tank. Alright, now, not exactly sure. Spring loaded. Okay, now that's out. Now we get the fun part, the cleanup part. Yeah, get to clean all this nastiness up. Alright, let's see how we're going to do that. Ouch. Okay, I gotta go get some rags. So I'll be right back. Ouch. That makes me happy. Get that fuel pump out of there. It ain't gonna make me happy paying for it because I checked to see how much the fuel pump was gonna cost. And at O'Reilly's, they said it was going to be $207. I did ask whether I got a kiss with that, but they said no. So, anyway, let me find a rag real quick. Okay. Now, let's just, that tank is clean inside. Gotta love those plastic tanks, man. Them old school steel tanks, man, they'll get rusty on you in a minute. Straddling the toolbox. All right. Now, so what I gotta do is stuff this down in there. All right, and then start scraping some of this out off the top of the fuel tank. Wow, nasty. Nasty. But I don't want any of it getting in the fuel tank. So that's kind of the way it goes. Snap. All right. There's a chunk of water down here where I was. Oh, I did stop by. Because if anybody's watching this, they know I'm going to do some welding. And this is a plastic fuel tank. Okay. This makes me greatly uncomfortable thinking about welding on top of a plastic fuel tank. So what I did was broke down and bought a welding blanket. That is a blanket that is made out of fiberglass, is what it is. And it's supposed to be good up to 1,000 degrees. So the idea is when I go to weld this back together, I'm going to put that blanket over the top of the fuel tank. So therefore, I won't have to worry about all the sparks and crap melting through the fuel tank, since the fuel tank does have fuel in it. You know, I can see bad things happening, so I decided that I'm gonna err on the side of caution this time err on the side of caution. Which, if you know me, you know that's new. It's like, roll her out in the driveway, she'll be okay. But in this particular case, I decided that I wasn't going to do anything too stupid. Try to restrain myself from getting too carried away. So, right now, messy. But I'll get her cleaned up. Yeah, get a bunch of this out of here. Trying to get this all cleaned up so when I put the ring back on, she'll fit good. You don't have all kinds of debris in the fuel tank, which I'm getting some in there. All this water or ice. When I was dumping water in it, I was grinding this stuff, and I didn't have my blanket at the time, so I was dumping water through the crack, so I didn't have to worry about getting too much. Shoot. Alright. That way I didn't get too much. Okay. Put this ring here. Gotta get this stuff cleaned up. Alright. I do not have the new fuel pump yet, so I have to stop by tomorrow and get it. O'Reilly said they had it in stock, so at least I know they have it in stock, which is a good thing. All right, my hooks are looking good. Sucking down that gas fume. Alright, now. Phew. Man, I got a snoot full that time. Phew. Shoo-wee. Dang. Okay. Now, the fuel pump has successfully been removed. Alright, now, I gotta get out of the truck. And then, I'll take you up here. Show you what else we gotta do. Oh. Ouch. Okay. Now, I'm gonna come around to this side. Ouch, 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 ouch. Okay. Now. Okay, there's a toolbox. Let me bring the light. See, it's got a light on this same little bracket. Oh, look at that. Looking sexy. All right. Now, what we got to do is take this plastic thing off, or this rubber thing. Goes down through here. Then this lays flat. And I think I got to squeeze it over the fuel pump itself. It'll be fantastically fun. Down and off. Awesome. That was a lot easier than I thought it was. This will have to wrap it in the bag. Throw in the trunk of the car so I can breathe. Anyway. Alright. Got us our rubber ring that we needed. We'll get that all cleaned up. Rag. Okay. Let's see if we can't get her cleaned up here a little bit. Well, I'll probably spray her down with some brake clean and get her good and clean. But anyway. Alright, there's our ring. There's the fuel pump. Alright, now this ring is looking nasty. But we're going to have to reuse it, I believe. So, what I'm going to have to do is start wire wheeling. So, we will go over to the wire wheel. Okay, let me get my safety glasses. Okay. It's going to be a little crazy because I got to take you with me. Let me unclamp you. Okay, here we go. Vroom, 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 zoom. Okay. Now, let me figure out a way to get you clamped on to something here. Oh, this might work. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Hang on. Aw. Disappointment reigns. Oh, it's trying to slip off. Aw. Doggone it. That would work good too. But I got a piece of, oh. Hey, look at that. I am right uptown with the Joneses now. Yeah. Ooh, fancy, fancy. All right. Now. Boy. Can't beat that with a big stick. All right. Now. We'll put on. Well, that was nice. Did you guys get a good view of the floor, did you? That's where she bounced off of. Still recording? Yes, it is. Yeah, okay. Moving it back over here. Turning this. For there. Hang on a second. My little lens cover. Yeah. Alright. Just trying to pick this thing up off the floor with these big old fat gloves on, and it wasn't working very well. Let me pop this back in place so I don't lose it. It's a cover for the light that's on this. Yeah. Okay then. All right, now since that's good and ridiculous, we'll give this another shot. Okay. Let me put on my safety glasses. Let me put on my safety glasses. Wear my leather gloves so I don't trim my fingers. All right. Knock the top layer of rust off anyway. It ain't gonna be like yeah. That rust tastes really good. She won't be like a new one. But, man, eat a piece of that rust. Yummy! That didn't suck at all. You hear, I don't know if you can hear it or not, the rust is just coming off the shelf. It's still fairly solid, but boy, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's big chunks of rust. Well, I'm flaking off with my finger there. So motion sensor light. That's coming pretty good. Now you can see why I'm wearing the leather gloves. Because if you didn't, I'm dragging this part of my finger while I'm trying to clean the inside of this. So I'm holding it like this, and this is rubbing just a little bit on them brushes. Well, it don't hurt. If I wasn't wearing these, I'd be crying like a little girl. Yeah, that ain't bad. Look how crusty this side is. Sounds like it's raining rust. Well, I was running around here and getting some of this off. Got a lot more to go, but don't like the motion sensor light. I do have a way that you can reset that, but I don't know what it is. I haven't taken the time to look. This is coming along. This is coming up pretty good. Now I gotta do the outside a little better. Hadn't done any of that yet. I don't know if you can see it, but it's coming along. It's coming along. So anyway, I got a little more to do on it, but I'll just throw her up there for now. But anyway, well, I hope you can see me. I don't know if you can or not because I've got the phone turned the other direction. But if you like it, subscribe. Thought I'd give you an update. I got lucky. So, sun shines. Yeah, there you go. Sun shines on a dog's butt every once in a while. And that's basically what just happened there. Yep. This ring is still usable, so I got lucky there. I got the fuel pump that I can take with me. I'll have to tie it up in a bag, throw it in the trunk so it don't overpower me. Yeah. So anyway, it's at least out. I got the tank cleaned up. I got this. Now all I got to do is get a new fuel pump for it, which is, like I said, $200 and some dollars. I think it's $207. This isn't too bad, but I'll clean it up. This ain't too bad, but I'll clean it up a little better than this with the wire wheel. Yeah. So anyway, if you like it, subscribe. Uncle Russ, Second Chance Garage, out.